4 or 5 things that we think about before we buy anything is, number one is the trend. You definitely want to get in something that the market's growing, or like you have tailwinds, the winds at your back. Wildfire is a great example of that. The world's getting hotter. It doesn't matter. I don't care who you talk to. The data shows the world's getting hotter and drier. And that means there's going to be more fires. There's very clear correlation.
Sure.
So we want to get long a trend. And the aviation one, it was about safety and compliance. The world has older aircraft that are getting older and flying with new technology put in it, and A&Ps with less experience. That's a recipe for needing technology to help simplify the world, right? So another trend, right? Number 2, we look for good companies to express that view or that trend. You can buy, like, if you had a whole world of 50 companies, which one do you pick? Number
Okay.
3 is we need a strategy to execute that vision. For wildfire, it was connecting technologies to monitor and mitigate risk. For aviation, it was like giving everybody one end-to-end tool to manage maintenance for aircraft and safety. The 4th, I would say, is opportunity to add value. So that's where we come in, value creation. They call them value creation plans. Some people call them VCPs. But it's like, okay, we have a strategy. How do we execute it? That's great. We have this big idea. Now what? So part of what we do is we help either bring in the experts, bring in the capital, and sort of make that a reality. Talk is cheap. Action is louder than words. So we'll even go into it. I think I told you earlier. We're even going in and rolling up our sleeves and taking active roles in the companies as needed to execute on these themes or these ideas. And then the last is the most important dynamic, which is who is the seller on the other side.